Hey guys, welcome back. Time for another plan with me. It is for the week of November 13th, and we are using this rainy kit. What's it called? Rain on my window? Rain on my window. From LynnerDesigns. This dog is everything. If you saw my kit lineup, I believe this was in the following week, but I switched this so that I didn't have two Caress Press and two LynnerDesigns in a row. This is the mini kit. And I did purchase the Fashion People add-on. And then I am using a foil bundle from Scribble Prints Co. This is shimmer in silver. So we've got 2 pages of bougie, scripts and icons, bottom washi, and the overlays. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the base down, and then I will be back and we will do the day by day. All right, face down, cute, love so much. All right. I just finished watching football. I am currently winning. I think if I win, I can overtake my husband. No, I cannot overtake my husband. I will be half of a game behind because that mofo tied today. I'm coming for that number 2 spot. Ryan's already got the number 1. That's pretty much in the bag. That's done. I can't overtake him. But No one cares. So let's proceed, shall we? On Monday, it was a day off here in lieu of Remembrance Day or Veterans Day in the US. So I slept in and we had the day off and Jason was sick. Because isn't that just how you want to spend your day off? So I hid from my husband and I took Bree to the park. We did get a grocery delivery this day. And then they forgot some things that we needed. So Jason had to go to the store. And he was feeling like a little bit better. So he was like, I don't really care, I'll go. So when he did that, I filmed. And we watched football this evening. So I have this from the foil bundle, as is the script. I had the bed to myself with the dog. So here's the thing with Bree. Bless her little heart. When Mama is sick, aka me, she cuddles with me. She stays with me. Always. It's rare that she does not. Now, when Jason is sick, she stays with me. It's actually quite adorable. And that's fine because Jason usually takes the sofa. Our sofa is a sofa bed. But 9.5 times out of 10, he is lazy and just doesn't unfold the sofa. And I'm like, why did we spend so much money on this if we don't use it? But usually the person who is sick dictates where they want to sleep. Obviously they are sick. They should get the priority. I usually pick the bedroom just so that I can like close the door and I can keep the window open so I can get like fresh air and feel some semblance of not stuck inside of a cage. Especially since cold and flu season is when it's cold outside. Cold being relative, please relax. So on Tuesday, life resumed normalcy. And Jason was feeling much better, so he went to the office. I also went to the office. I am not sick. And still somehow am not sick. I did go to work and then I came home and I did a workout. We had Taco Tuesday and then we began binging The Real Housewives, but we had to like use the Global TV app because, and I'm not kidding you, 2 times a year, at least, Novus decides that it is going to stop all planned recordings for just The Real Housewives. Nothing else. I think it did it for Vanderpump Rules once, but I caught it. So I was able to record like a later airtime. West Coast winds. So when you watch it on the Global TV app, even though you have to log in with your like TV provider information, they still make you watch ads and it irritates the absolute bejesus out of me. But there's nothing I can do. So we did that. So I think we watched the final part of the New York reunion. Beverly Hills and Orange County. But I feel like we watched something else. Oh no, then we went to the PVR because now we were watching episodes that we had access to. Anyways, I chose to use Coffee Monday here just because it was Monday in my like work world. And then like I just I tidied the kitchen in the morning. I went to work. We had a little workout munchkin. And it was a lower body workout, so, you know. The squat munchkin checks out. On Wednesday, it was payday for me. And then my morning coffee, and I went to work. And then I came home and I had to do a workout. I wouldn't normally do strength 2 days in a row. However, the next day I was going to Langley. So I needed to do my workout that I would normally do on Thursday this day. So for payday, I got this little gal from Planner Kate, and this is from the foil bundle. My paydays are easy, middle of the month and last day of the month. Honestly, I prefer that. Otherwise, I just never know when I'm getting paid, and that's just not fun. I just got this little McPlan's little pig from a sampler. My work script, and I think this is the day. No. So Shireen was not feeling well this day, but she was like, nah, like I don't feel like super run down or anything, so I'm just gonna stay. And I was like, all right, you do you. Oh, son of a. You know, I really thought I would make it through without screwing this up. But it would turn out that today is not that day. Oh, you might be able to still hear football in the background. I don't know why it's still on. The game is over. At least I thought it was over. Who cares? It's Denver and Minnesota. Nobody cares. Except for me, I had Hawkinson, and I really would have liked him to get a touchdown, but that's just clearly not how today is going to go. But the 49ers won today, so that's cool. Okay. Thursday, busy day. We kick it off with coffee in the morning. And I also put on new nails. I was going to bring it to my aunt's house, but I was ahead of schedule, I guess. So I was like, well, let's just do them now. So then I got home from work and traffic was an absolute disaster, so I need a different sticker. I don't need a little thing for this. That's the color I need. So we were like sitting around chit-chatting, waiting for Amy to get home from wherever the hell she was. Study group. I don't know, it's reading break. She's all mad because she had stuff to do. But the neighbor called and was trying to figure out from my uncle if there was like a contact or something, or does he know how long they hold cars that are being part of like an investigation. Basically there was a like shooting. No, not a shooting. This is Canada, not America. There's a stabbing. Why was that word so difficult? And apparently, Vicky's car was in the vicinity, so Joel wasn't allowed to take it. And that's why you don't go to Surrey, folks. So if you're ever coming here, don't go to Surrey. Surrey's bad. Very bad. But I had this little excited munchkin gal from Planner Kate. We got our elevator fixed. I'm still gonna take the stairs because now that elevator freaks me the fuck out. It makes a big clunking noise and I'm not a fan. Okay, we're just gonna switch these colors around because I can't do 2 days in a row of the same color as the header at the top. So I was up early, not early, same as I usually am, but you know, considering I had the day off, is it early? Then I drove to Chilliwack and then I met Amy for her appointment. And then after we were done, because she drove from her house, I grabbed Starbucks and then I met her at her place. And I gotta tell you, driving through Chilliwack, that town is way different than where I grew up. It is wild how different. And then after I hung out with Amy for a bit, then I picked my dog up. We waited out traffic just a smidge. And then we went home and Jason made dinner. And we watched Vanderpump Rules, because of course we did. This dude is addicted, like full on. And now watching him, like, because he's only watched the later seasons, like when they're rich, he now understands the earlier seasons are better when they're poor. It's more chaotic. But he's now also seeing the dynamics about how, you know, like the whole Sandoval thing, how he cheated on Kristen. And even like me, someone who's watched the earlier seasons, I'm looking back and being like, man, you are so full of shit this whole time. It's unbelievable. It's wild. But I think we've just finished season 2. Yeah, we just watched the reunion. So James is now part of the cast. Jason was like, where's James? Yeah, don't worry, he's coming. You have to deal with him for a little bit. And I need scissors. Actually, no, I don't. I did clean a bit this day. I baked some cookies. Jason folded some laundry. I think he also brushed the... Oh no, that was the weekend before. Never mind. Never mind. As per usual, I'm filming and the run chat is just going crazy. Okie dokie. So yeah, I slept in, I went to the gym. Oh yeah, I watched the Canadian men's soccer team play Jamaica and they won. I cleaned. Baked cookies. What else did I do? Oh yeah, then we just binge watched season 2 of Vanderpump Rules. Yes. Faja, what would you like? Just generally a very chill Saturday, aside from the workout. The gym was so busy when I got down there. There was nowhere for me to set up weights other than the yoga room. So I was like, well, I'll go on the treadmill and I'll do like 20 minutes of like a walk and then run intervals and just see how that feels. And then there still wasn't any room for me, so then I went to the yoga room. I don't know what everybody's working out for these days. It's not January yet, guys. Get out of my gym. Today, however, we got a grocery delivery as I was leaving for a run. And then I went on a run where my heart rate was through the freaking roof. Yep. And then we went for coffee after, and I only ran 6K. So I was only out there for like 40 minutes. And then I had to go to London Drugs and pick up a card for Ben because it's his birthday next week. Next week? I don't know. Is it? I think so. And it was Niner game day. And then I had a bath. And now I'm having some planning time. While the husband is at hockey. And I think after this, I'm gonna like blow dry my hair because it's all wet from having the bath. And then I think me and Brie are gonna watch some true crime. Or maybe some Sister Wives, who the fuck knows. I also think I heard Andrea say that Welcome to Plathville is back. So maybe we'll watch that. So the 49ers played. Seriously. It's on the tip of my tongue. Why? Why am I drawing a blank? This game literally happened like 5 hours ago. Tampa Bay. That's the one. It was looking a little dicey there in the first half, and then we came out in the second half, and Brock Purdy, also known as what everybody who's not a 49ers fan says is a mid quarterback or overrated or overhyped, got a perfect passer rating today, which is almost unheard of. And I believe the last time that a 49er, I have to check, it might be ever, had a perfect passer rating was like Joe Montana, in like 89. I was a wee one. It's like a random piece of sticker paper. So that, my friends, is the week. This is super cute. I am in love. It rains here a lot, so honestly, when Lynn does her Black Friday sale, which by the time you see this, that will be over, I'm probably gonna buy this kit again because I just need to have this. This has got to be like stored as like a backup anytime kit because it doesn't necessarily need to be fall. Yeah, you've got suit and sweaters and stuff. It rains here. Fall, winter, spring. So I could use it anytime. All the shops that I use will be listed below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. And I will see you in my next video.